How to preview my tax return online on H&R Block. Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of H&R Block, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, select your in-progress tax return from the dashboard or start a new return if you haven't begun yet. In the toolbar or menu, look for the Review or Summary section. This section provides a preview of your tax return, showing key details like total income, deductions, tax credits, refund or amount owed. In the main menu or toolbar, select Tax Tools or Tools. Choose the Preview My Return option to generate a detailed preview. H&R Block Online allows you to view your tax return as a PDF before filing. Navigate to Summary or Print My Tax Return. Select Download or Print Preview to view your return in a format similar to the official IRS submission. Use the PDF or the on-screen summary to verify personal details, income entries, deductions and credits applied, and tax calculations. If you find any errors during the preview, return to the relevant sections in the software and make corrections. Once you are satisfied with the preview, proceed to e-file process. With these steps, you can confidently review your tax return before submitting it through H&R Block Online. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.